Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh. Today is 8 January and today's my video topic is air pollution. First of all, what is mean by air pollution? Air pollution means harmful substance present in the air that affect on the environment, human life and all over. This is known as air pollution. The various type of air pollutions are nitrogen dioxide, that is mean by NOT, NO2. NO2 forms by the burning of the fossil fuels. What is mean by fossil fuels? They are petrol, diesel, are the various type of fossil fuels are burning in the vehicle, transportation system, and these exhaust parts are removed to the air. This is known as nitrogen dioxide. This is very harmful for the environment, removed from the transportation. Second type of the air pollution is sulfur dioxide. This is also known as SO2. SO2 are also formed by the burning of the fossil fuels. They are another part of the fossil fuels. One is nitrogen dioxide. Second remove part is fossil fuels is sulfur dioxide. Third type of the air pollution is ground level ozone. Ground level ozone means there are various chemical are formed in the environment after the sunlight is coming to the our ecosystem, and this chemical are react to this sunlight, and they form the pollution to the air. This is also very dangerous for our ecosystem and the ozone layer depletion. And third type of the air pollution is PM25. It is a very PM25 means is a very small particles of the air, very small particle of the air pollutant. Tiny particles are the present in the air. Fifth type of the air pollution is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a colorless part and also odorless part is also the air pollution part of the system. Second one discuss about the air pollution is how the air pollution are formed, also known as source of the air pollution. The first source of the air pollution is transportation. In our India, our population and number of vehicles are present in the urban areas. This removes of more form of the air pollution. Remove air pollution. This is there are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide are removed from the vehicle. This is our one part of the air pollution, source of the air pollution. Second type is industrial. Second source is the industrial. Industry are the removal of the very harmful and dangerous substance are removed to the air. This is also effect on our the ecosystems and environmental. This is also major source of the major source of the air pollution. And third source of the air pollution is agriculture degradation. What is mean by agriculture degradation? Many chemical or the improve our productivity in our agriculture. The many chemical from uranium and also chemical from they use in our agriculture. This is this chemical but increase our productivity, but many harmful substances are present in the chemical, or they are they are they are dangerous, very harmful to the ecosystem. Third source of the air pollution is garbage. The many bottles and plastic are used in our society, and these plastics and bottles are burning, and this is after the burning the harmful substances are removed, and these are transferred to the our air. This is all the source of the air pollution. And what is the impact of the air pollution in our human beings and also our animals and our ecosystem? The first impact on our human beings is the increase increase the cancer rate. They are dangerous substance present in the air. They are inhale this air, and they are effect on our body, and increase second impact on the human beings are small children. They are their body capacity is not good for the excess the more number of है. And impact on our environment is the increase the ozone layer decreases, and also greenhouse gases greenhouse effect also increases. That's why sunlight are directly coming to the our earth. And also acid rain also, after the climate changes, acid rain also increases after some days. And this is all other major impact on our society of the air pollution. And how to prevent this air pollution, how to prevent the air pollution. The following is the point to prevent the air pollution. To increase the awareness of the air pollution our society. First one is to increase the awareness of the air pollution in our society. The campaign to run for the society how the air pollution is very dangerous for human life and our environment, and also aware the all over the various act. Second type is the various act are to implement the government. The third to measure the air pollution. And third type is this is all about the air pollution and discussed today topics. Thank you.